Boom, boom, boom. Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So today we're gonna be talking about the title of this video is "You Want to Fire Your Boss? Here's How." So this is a very, very powerful video, a very powerful topic that I don't want to fall inside the wrong hands. So if you don't actually want to change your life and you're just watching it just for fun, I recommend you go to a different video. But this is really for people who are searching for freedom and potential, the potential to be able to actually be everything that they were created to be. For me, for example, when I was either working a job or college, different things in my life, it felt like I was falling through the cracks in life. Like, I know I'm destined for more than this, but it seems like it's just so hard and nothing's really working. It always felt like I was just so close to that success, so close to being able to just kind of look over the mountaintop and actually reach the goal, or even worse, being stuck on top of the mountaintop and being able to see everybody else getting the results that I wanted, but then not being able to do it myself. And that's kind of what I'm here to do. Now that I've figured out exactly how to do that and what to do, and I translate that for my clients, I'm here to help other people do the same thing. Now, I do have a selfish intention for doing that, because the more people that I show how to do this, the more likely I'm going to have long-term people who want to either support my business ventures or want to work with me in the future for a lot longer than if I didn't give any value, right? So my job, at least at this stage in the game of knowing you, is to be able to help you move forward towards your overall goal, until the point where you're either ready to work with me, or until you've made so much cash that you just want to join some of my investment vehicles in the future, right? For example, if I ever want to get into either syndication or some form of real estate kind of investing, group investments, then a lot of my clients are going to want to work with me on that, because I've been able to help them out. That is the goal. That is why I do these videos. Now, back to the topic. What your boss doesn't want you to know. Or if you want to fire your boss, here's how. You have to be able to learn how to control attention. So a lot of people are like, I coach on blank. I'm a business processes coach. I am I'm sitting next to a mini Christmas tree. I'm a Christmas tree salesman. Okay, cool. Well, it's the middle of summer. Do people actually want to buy a Christmas tree right now? I don't care what people want. I just want to go sell my Christmas trees. Interesting. Have you sold any Christmas trees in the last couple of days or weeks? No. Have you sold any in a while? No. Well, do people want it? I don't know exactly. I don't know. I don't really care. That is the first mistake. I know that was a little bit of a wild example, but I hear that a lot with people that I coach and that I work with, either in one of my programs or in just group settings, right? But it comes down to, it's not about you. It doesn't matter what you want. It's all about what the people who are going to pay you money actually want. That's incredibly key, okay? Because once you understand, I call it the pulse of the market, you're going to be able to show them that you can help them reach their goals. Because if you know what people want, then you're able to show them, hey, the reason why I know what you want is because I was you at a point in my life. Now I'm here to help you guys move to the next part of the journey and help you guys get further along. That's what I actually do inside of my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. As the name suggests, we're giving you everything that you need to start moving forward towards that life and that business you deserve. Because after all, business is just an extension of our overall life, and if our business is not doing well, it starts to leak into other aspects. But once you get your business fixed and you're executing and you're becoming more efficient, the other areas of your life are going to start improving as well. At least I know it did for me. When my business started to move a lot faster, I started to hit my diet a lot better. I started to hit the weight room a lot better. I started to make more friends. I started to be way better at talking to different people. I started to be way better at communicating exactly what I'm feeling. I became a nicer person, a better individual, and a better human being over time as a result of my business becoming greater. If that's something you've been searching for, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below. Hopefully you have a great day, and hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to share this information with someone who can benefit. Have a great day. See you later. Talk to you soon. Take it easy. Also, subscribe if you're on YouTube. Have a great day, guys.